I, Chandrakant Bapat, National Coordinator of CBWAI, welcome you on our association channel. Our association has released second issue of our quarterly magazine CBWAI IAC. I will now show you how it looks and its contents. If you like the video, please click on like and subscribe to our channel. So without wasting time, let us see the cover page of our new magazine issue. IEC in pursuit of voluntary services to the beneficiaries. I will give you now overview of this issue of our magazine. This is the cover page. The cover page has been wonderfully designed with a brilliant concept. It shows the rise of new sun in the form of COVID-19 vaccine, and the dark days of COVID-19 epidemic will soon be over. Remember, this is just the second issue of our quarterly magazine, and benchmark is so high that other association magazines will be struggling to achieve. The second page gives us the idea of talented, knowledgeable editorial team we have. The third page is index page. Just look at the composition and the variety of the articles. The editor's desk gives us brief of what we have faced for last 1 year. Dr. D.C. Joshi, Senior Advisor, National Medical Commission, and Shri Manoj Kumar Mahapatra, Senior General Manager AFK, have sent their well wishes for our second issue, which have been published on page 7 and 8. Page 9 to 14 covers address by Sri Sunil Kumar Chaurasia, who inaugurated our maiden issue in 13th November 20, and address by our Honorable President Sri Vishwanath Pandey. This is followed by message from our General Secretary Sri Damodaran, which tells us in association what we have done and what we intend to do. Next are the wide spectrum of topics which have been published in this issue. To begin with, we have an article by Sri Robin Kumar and his team on role of physiotherapy in health literacy, a term which may be new for us. The next comes an article by our president, Sri Vishwanath Pandey, on mask. Nobody would have thought this will be most of the essential items in our daily life for the whole world, from ordinary beggar of a third world country to the president of USA. On page 22, Dr. Nirija Gupta has given details of how to build a cancer-free nation. An article by Sri Pandey gives history of CGHS and Sri Damodaran, mystery of human body, which you would have not ever imagined. An article by Sri Hariharan gives glimpse of life after 60. Friends, after retirement, we are in dilemma whether to join CGHS by making one-time payment or have a health insurance. An article by Chandrakant Bapat gives a comparison of two schemes which may help you to take a decision which is very important after retirement. On page 39, you can have a cartoon. You will see a cartoon which you may enjoy. COVID being the most important issue, two articles by Sri Gyanendra Singh and Sri Suresh Dorle gives answers to all our doubts and queries about COVID vaccines. An article on musical therapy gives how use of musical interventions can be employed for achieving health benefits. On page 53, for the benefit of Hindi Heartland members, a list of 25 very important information about CGHS has been compiled by Sri Chandrakant Bapat. In the last article, Sri Suresh Dorle has given an important information about how to take CGHS benefit in medical emergency. Thus, we can see there are 13 articles covering wide spectrum of topics on CGHS and health related issues. Friends, Ayushi is e-magazine which can be downloaded on our mobile or laptop and can be seen at any moment for lifelong. I am sure after reading the magazine, you will appreciate the efforts taken by the editorial team. Lot of time and energy is required for the publication of such a magazine, especially with short of finances and resources at our disposal. I will request all registered members to send the articles on CGHS and health related issue for our next publication in May 21. The magazine has been issued to all the registered members on their registered mail ID. If you have not registered your membership in our association, register your membership now on our website cbwai.simdev.com to get your copy on your mail ID. Your feedback, your feedback and comments are important for us. Thank you.